Hey guys, welcome to Cheese Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a sweet dish. It is so easy and so delicious. It is carrot coconut ladoos. It's such an easy recipe. It requires very less ingredients, but it's going to be super yummy. It's one of the quickest sweet ladoos that you can make. Now let's see how to make it. And I'm going to add ghee. I'm going to be generous with ghee. Next I'm going to add finely grated carrot. I've used this small grater, so the grating is a bit small compared to the usual carrot grating. So I'm going to fry this in ghee for about 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes and I'm going to add sugar and a little bit more ghee. So the sugar is melted and it will help to cook the carrot. So this will take about 10 to 15 minutes at least. So you can see sugar has let out water and it's starting to boil. So obviously it will take 10 to 15 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. You can see most of the water is gone, but there is water. So it's been 5 minutes and I've started to stir it. There's a little bit of moisture still left, but you can see the carrot is just so soft and it's so small. So when you grate it in a small grater for this dish, when you make ladoos, it will be so easy to round them, and it's really easy because it becomes nice and small. And it's mostly done. To this I'm going to add grated or crushed almonds, little bit of cardamom powder, I'm going to add some coconut. Now this coconut has less moisture because I have air dried after grating coconut, so it won't have too much of moisture in it, but still I'll be stir frying this for about 2 to 3 minutes so all the moisture goes away. So to make sure if everything is done, just press and see. If you have water coming out of it, then you just have to keep it for another 2 minutes or something. So yes guys, this mixture is done. Now I'm going to cool this and then start making ladoos. So the mixture is cooled down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it and then I'm going to again roll it on top of the coconut. First I'm going to grease my hands with some ghee. I'm going to pick it. And the size just depends. If you want it big, just depends on you. So it's beautifully come into a ladoo, and I'm rolling it. So yes guys, carrot coconut ladoo is done. You can see how easy it is to make. So I'm gonna serve this for my guests. So hope you guys try it and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.